Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
This video guys, we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we'll show you guys where to find the fuse for the oxygen sensor tube, also known as Lambda sensor tube. This one guys is your downstream oxygen sensor after the catalytic converter. This is the one that detects if the catalytic converter is working or not. Stay with us, we will show you where it's located. So, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car, and our goal guys is to save you as much money as we can by providing you all these videos. So please guys, subscribe, like and drop a comment below with any recommendations. Let me show you what we'll be doing now. We need to go ahead, open the hood. Okay, support it, and your fuse box guys is located right here. And let me show you, we have the intake removed so I can show you where the oxygen sensor 2 is located. With the intake out of the car, okay, we've been working here on it. This down there guys, okay, this is your oxygen sensor 2 right there. So if you have a cold, even after you replace the oxygen sensor and it's still bad guys, check that fuse. So that cover now, it has 1, 2, 3 clips that we need to remove. So you need to squish towards each other, okay, and pull up. Now the fuse guys that we are looking for, okay, will be fuse number 11 guys. Fuse number 11, okay, will be that 10 fuse between the two relays right here. So that 10 fuse guys, okay, how you guys remove that thing? Okay, we need to go ahead and get that fuse puller. There is one clip here that you need to pull back and pull it up. Grab it and remove it. Now, this fuse guys most likely is burnt. Okay, you can definitely see that it's burnt. But if you are not sure guys, because sometimes when they burn, sometimes it's hard to tell if they're burnt or not. I'll tell you guys how to test them. We have that voltmeter guys, check it out. It will be listed in the video guys, in the description of the video. Really good, voltmeter here guys. When I check, this is on continuity testing, there is nothing. So let me grab one good fuse now guys. Okay, you can find those listed as well. Please check them out. I'll grab the fuse, replacement fuse. Okay, let me test it now and I'll show you what it's supposed to be if it's a good fuse. Okay, we're supposed to get guys zeros. Perfect. So this is guys that definitely was a bad fuse. So all we have to do, okay, get it in like that. Make sure that you install, okay, your fuse puller as well, like this one, and don't forget to put your lid on after that. So that's it guys, thank you for watching.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.